Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I am going to demonstrate how we can use AWS Policy Generator tool to create your S3 bucket policy, or maybe for IAM user policy, or there are different kind of service which we need that JSON policy. But if you don't know how to create that policy, or if you don't know the syntax of that, how the policy will be and how to start that policy, how to end that policy, then it will be helpful to them and who know the syntax, but there is a chance to do the mistake. Better to use this kind of policy generator tool to get this policy. Okay guys, so let's go to the AWS console first and then go to the AWS S3 bucket. Once you come to the S3 bucket, today I am going to show you for S3 bucket how we can generate the bucket policy. Okay guys, so let's go to the particular bucket. If you don't have any bucket, then please create one bucket, and if you don't know how to create or manage, then please check it my previous video where I already have demonstrated. Okay guys, so let's go to the permission. Here multiple option is there: properties, matrix, management, and access point. Among them, let's go to the permission, and once you go to the permission, let's go a little bit down. You can see this bucket is publicly access is disabled here, and below that we have one option is bucket policy, and right side corner if you see here one option is the edit policy. So let's edit this bucket policy. Now it is an empty, so now we are going to generate the bucket policy by using policy generator tool, and we'll paste here and we'll save it. Okay guys, so if you want to see how the policy example looks like, then you can go here and you can check it out. So here all the details is there about this bucket policy and the syntax, all these things. And our agenda today is let's go to the policy generator tool. So let's click on that. So once you come to this policy generator tool, so here we have option. If you want to create policy for SQS, then use that SQS. If you want to create policy for S3, our agenda today is S3. And VPC endpoint also you can choose, or IAM policy or SNS topic policy also you can create. Okay guys, so let's select that S3 bucket. Now next option, this is the effect. So effect basically two type. One is the either you want to allow or you want to deny. You don't want to allow that. Okay guys, so let's select the allow. Then principal basically set up user rules, or maybe IAM role, something like that. So, or if you want to not specify any user, then you can specify star. So let's give the star, so it will be for everyone. Okay guys, but for what action S3 and what action we are going to allow here. So here multi-part upload, access, grant, different kind of create access point, different kind of permission is there, create bucket. So bucket is already there. So since it is not a IAM user, so particular user we are going to give the access to create bucket. It's our bucket policy. So bucket itself cannot create the bucket. So we don't want to give the bucket policy. Create job you can give, or our today agenda either you want to delete that particular bucket or you want to delete the object. But we are not going to allow here delete. We are going to allow here put, list, and let's see here. So here we have like a bucket list option also there. Get object one option is there. Let's select that get object. Okay guys, and if you go down we can see put object also option is there. So let's select that action, and put object action basically allow you to put or upload some object to that particular bucket, and get basically it's allow you to download or see that. Okay, and if you want we can give the list list object also. Let's select the list. So list bucket list object also let's give access. Okay, so list bucket also you can give the access, and list storage, list tag, list. Okay guys, so okay, let's keep these three action only time being. So like that we can select multiple option is here. Okay, and as per your requirement you can select here. And let's go to the ARN basically which AWS resource you want, which particular bucket you want to star for everyone, or you want to specify particular bucket. So today our agenda for a specific bucket we want to add some bucket policy. So let's select that and give that ARN here. Once you give that ARN here, one option is there, add condition. So here we can select different kind of condition like based on equals, and then what you want to give, user id, user name, source ip, something like that. Okay guys, so based on tag, aws tag, so let's select the username here, and value, let's give that something like tuition, something like that. Let's give the add the condition. Okay guys, once you add the condition, let's add the statement. Once you add the statement, then everything is ready. Let's generate the policy. So once you click on generate policy, it's easy now for you. It is generated complete syntax. Okay guys, so this syntax we can saved here. Okay, and if you click on saved, then it will save. But here this ARN username, basically it is expecting some ARN field. So if you have any IAM user, then for that particular IAM user we will have that ARN, but I don't have any IAM user, so it's expecting some validation, right? So it is expecting some ARN, so let's select that. Does not apply, action does not apply to any resource in this statement. So let's time being, let's keep star here. Star is not allowed here. So ARN basically how it will be looks like. So let me give you that one ARN example. Let's come here and username. Suppose go to the IAM and let's see if we have no user. So let's create one user here. Suppose something like that, and let's next create user. And if you go here user, you can see here ARN. Okay guys, so let's give this ARN here. Once you give, now save it. Action does not apply any resource in this statement. What is this? Get list resource. Okay, so allow. Okay, do one thing here. So issue is here. So let's make it array here. This one, and come here. Select this star. Okay, guys. So JSON syntax error. Okay, here it's saying like syntax error. So basically it is missing this double quotation here. So select save here. Still it is bucket policy change cannot saved. Either don't have permission to edit this bucket policy, or your bucket policy grant levels of the public access is not there. So this bucket, it's not allowed to save this, because this bucket is, if you see here, let's go here, and if you come here, then this permission, the public access is disabled here, right? So let's enable this and save it and confirm. Once you click on confirm, right? So let's come here again and just copy this and refresh. Now try to save it again. So I hope now this time you can able to save. So this is how we can add. So we can generate the policy and we can add. Now on top of that, suppose I want to do one more thing, like now for this particular resource I am giving get list and put, but I want to specifically deny the delete object and delete bucket, right? So that part also I can specify. How we can specify? Let's copy this statement here, and here just put one, and this will be unique for each statement. So let's give some name here, some ID here, and resource this one, and here I want to give delete object. I explicitly I want to specify delete, delete. Okay, and delete bucket also I want to specify it. I don't want to give these two permission explicitly. How we can specify? and particular resource, and I don't want to condition, I just want to give for everyone publicly, no one can do this. So let's remove this condition, and either this bucket or inside the bucket object no one can delete. So instead of allow here, just put d n a y d n i d n y d n i. Okay, so this is like I am explicitly specified delete object and delete bucket. Inside this bucket no one can do that, and principal as it is star only. So now let's save this one. Like this also we can do. So I hope this video is clear to you guys, like how we can use this policy generator to generate the policy. And if you feel this video is valuable to you guys, then I will request you guys, please like this video and share surrounding with your friend and subscribe my channel to support me. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye.